Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Nail Art by Nessa. I am Nessa, you can also call me Vanessa, and today's video will be on AliExpress stamping nail art haul. So today we will be opening all of these packages. I have quite a few for us today. And all of them are by the Nail Unique store. So this is their name on AliExpress if you're trying to find any of these products. All right, let's get started. First, I have this small package. I ordered it May 25th and it arrived July 20th. It has 2 nail plates and it cost me $6. All right, so the first one here, it's like a weather-related stamping plate. And these plates are all by Nicole Diary. So you can see they have a nice plastic coating on the back. And this plate is number 119. And this one has rain falling, like different clouds that you can layer together, lightning bolt, inside out umbrella. It's really cute. And the second one is number 111. And it is eyeballs, so these eyeballs can layer together as well. So you have like different pupils, different sort of eyelashes and things, so these all layer in together. All right, so that package was $6. Next, I have, looks like 2 nail plates here. I ordered May 27th, it arrived July 8th, and it cost me $6.82. So these ones are a little bit bigger. This is a square plate, so Nicole Diary 157. And you can see all the little koi fish, the bubbles. This could be really cute, the reflective water there. Okay, and the second one is like deer related. You have different like scenes that you can place the deer into. And then some cool ones with like a skull with flowers kind of thing. So kind of Western, maybe a little bit Christmas, depending on how you want to do it. Okay. The next package I have here has 3 plates. I ordered it May 24th. It arrived June 29th. And this package cost me $13.47. And just to be clear, that is in Canadian dollars, not American. And it includes shipping. So $13.47 Canadian, including shipping. Okay, so Nicole Diary 91. And as you can see, this one also layers together. So you can put like, say, half your nail with this color and then do the swirl on top. They also have a full nail coverage one. It is quite small though. I don't think my full thumbnail, it might just fit my full thumb. So you can't have too big of nails for this one, I guess, but if you're just using the swirlies, you could do them on any size nail. Okay. Next, we have this plate. It's pretty cool. This one you can make different argyles. You can create your own plaid using the different stripes here and here. And of course they have different sort of zigzags and chevrons, different sort of patterns here. So you can make lots of different designs with this one. And of course with any of these plates, if you really want to see a tutorial on them, just let me know in the comments and I can prioritize that. This plate, oh sorry, I didn't tell you the number. One was L04. So if you're looking for this plate, it's Nicole Diary L04. This next one is L10. And this one I feel like you get a lot on it. You kind of have some African scenes here. You've got like elephants and lions. But then you also have like more domestic animals like a moose and a bear. And you have some like astrology type stuff or just some stars, a girl in a dress. Down here we have some dragons, mountain scenes. We got sort of bubbles. So you get quite a lot of different things on here. 4-leaf clover. Yeah, so this one, the size of the images are actually really good. So if you have a larger nail, it would accommodate. Okay, so that is that one. So we have 2 more packages from the Nail Unique store. This one I ordered April 1st. It arrived July 16th. And it was $18.88, including shipping. And I have quite a few plates here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plates for $18.88. Okay, and most of them are larger plates. This one's the only smaller one. So this one is Nicole Diary 132. And you can see it's got all sorts of figures of women. So women shopping, dancing, just in a nice long dress. With some cool hats and stuff. So this one would be pretty cool, I think. And the sizes are quite nice. They're not too big, not too small. They should fit on the nail quite nicely. Okay, next it's a Valentine's Day one. So Nicole Diary number 28. And we got some roses, mostly all hearts. Love mail. It's like heart bats, hearts with wings, I guess. Kind of like an ugly sweater heart pattern. Yeah, that one's really cute. Next, Christmas one. So this is number 2, plate number 2. It says Happy Christmas. That's quite large. It wouldn't fit on my nail. You'd need quite a long nail for that one. Those snowflakes are quite pretty. That one's kind of weird. And some Santas and snowmen. Okay, next, Nicole Diary 122. I really like the ones with the layered sort of backgrounds, so you can make like a scene, so that's really neat. Got a few there. You got like the moon, and some clouds that we can layer together. This one you get quite a few different things that you could do with it. Take a walk on the wild side, or it says to the wild side, I think. Yeah, to the wild side. Yeah. Okay, next. Well, this one kind of goes with the nails I have now. I really like that face. I think that's really neat. And the boat in the water. You got some dolphins, some cats, mermaids. Yeah, this one's really cool. I really like the topography kind of look. It's really neat. Okay, next, Nicole Diary 107. And this one is more like Hawaiian themed. Yeah. Got like a wave. Got like a sandcastle. Yeah. I really like the sun with the little island there. That's really cute. Okay, next. Number 136. This one is a little bit like that last one over here with the, so I guess they kind of go together a little bit. This one has a little bit more like sound waves instead of topography. The bubbles are really cool and the stars. And I really like these little squares. Those are cute. Okay. Next, number 79. And this one is kind of like dandelion seeds, like blowing them. This one's in the shape of a heart. It's really cute. It's really good for summer. Dream away. And the little children are really cute for Valentine's Day. And this little bear is pretty cute. Okay, and last in this package is number 123. And this one is more like paint splotches. You got a paintbrush here, painting, another small paintbrush, and just like blotches of paint, some sort of lines and stuff. So this one will be kind of cool for just like backgrounds. I got some butterflies there. Okay, so that one package for all 9 was $18.88 Canadian, including shipping. And the last package I have from the Nail Unique store is this package with some stampers. Okay, so we have your sort of basic small stamper here. And it comes with your scraper. It's got like a little black piece that's in the plastic. Anyways, it is a plastic scraper. You should never use metal scrapers on your metal plates. It will scratch them really badly. So this one, it's pretty squishy. I would say it's a little bit more on the firm side compared to other ones I've tried. It's not really sticky at all, so let's see if I can show. So my finger doesn't stick to it at all, but it is quite clear and nice to look through, so you can see your nail and where you're placing. We'll have to test that one out. If you would like to see me test out all the nail stampers, please leave a comment. And this one, I believe, is a dupe for the Big Bling stamper. This one also comes with a scraper. Just a heads up, you quite often want to just take a nail file around the edges because it can have a little bit of a rough edge and then it won't scrape properly. Okay, so this one comes with 2 stampers in it. It's got the top here, which is, oh, it's quite a bit squishier than the last one, and as you can see, it's a little bit sticky. My finger sticks to it a little bit. And this one is quite large, really easy to see through. Yeah, I would assume this one would pick up nicely just because it is so sticky. And it comes with the lid, and then it comes with the extra marshmallow stamper, which somehow I already got my cat's hair on. So it is quite sticky. Yeah, you can see how it sticks to my finger. It's a little bit more firm than the other one, than the top one. But man, it's sticky. It definitely picks up my cat's hair really easily. And it does pick up even just the scraper, so you can see it is quite sticky. But of course you can't see through it. But as you can see, it does have the crystals in it, just like the Big Bling stamper. So I believe it's supposed to be a dupe for the Big Bling stamper, but it comes with the extra marshmallow stamper. And if you'd like to see me test that one out, let me know. And that is all for our video for today. Please tune in for my next video where we'll be doing more stamping hauls. The next video will be from Beauty Big Bang stores, and I have all these packages to open, so tune in for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.